What up everyone, this is MotoTurtles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the USB-C port not working on your Windows 10 or 11 device, or something like it's not charging or doing what it's supposed to be doing, right? So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is you want to go to your search bar and type in Device Manager until you basically get to this place here, and you want to find out essentially your USB ports are, which is going to be in your right here, the Universal Serial Bus Controller USB, and see which one over here is causing the issue. So either one of them is going to have like a triangle or like an exclamation mark or like a red thing, like basically saying it's not working, or it's going to look like how you're seeing mine look, but you're going to basically right click into all of them and do update driver. And if that doesn't fix the issue for you, you're going to right click into all of them, uninstall the device, restart your computer, and then they're going to basically reinstall and then essentially go from there and see if that fixes it for you. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash the like, guys, and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MotoTurtles out. Peace.